Everybody. Hi everybody, this is Landon and I want to show you about the tmnt turtles. Okay, as you see, you have the tmnt turtle car. It also comes with the tmnt turtle skateboard, and these two shirts. You can actually cut them. You put it on there and you flip it. We're also going to show those we're also going to show those later. Because we're going to try to fight against this guy, the bad guy.
Hold him still. Let's see what he looks like. Gotcha.
And next of all, he comes with his machine. Do you work on it?
Let me get it close. All right, I think we got it.
So, and this is a layer.
This layer?
Yeah. And next of all, of course, we are gonna get this guy out of his car course. With his arm up still. Yeah, we still have to make the guy short again. So you just take it off of the side. Put it on again.
How you doing over there? Having a hard time with that sword?
No.
Okay.
Okay, so here's the guy with his sword.
Let's see him.
Now, we're going to start fighting.
See that throwing star he's got? Looks like Leonardo won. Oh no, the bad guy got in the layer? Who's gonna win this epic battle? Who's the win? You are victorious.
I won the battle. And now the battle is ended by me.
Alright. Is that your review of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle Junior set?
Yes.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you recommend it to your friends?
Yes.
What do you like about it?
I really like that it comes with 3 swords.
Yeah, I think actually it comes with 2 swords. You just got an extra one. Anyway, what did you like about building it? Was it a hard build or an easy build?
Easy.
Alrighty.
And as you see,
say goodbye until next time.
Goodbye until next time I do one of my Lego videos.
You're going to wave to the camera?